Snoop Dogg has just bought Swansea City Football Club. To welcome him to Wales, here's an A to Z of Welsh terminology so he doesn't get confused. Let's have a look at it. F is for Fuggsakemunboys, get on your own place and play. In America, Snoop, you may say, keep the noise down, man, I'm trying to get some sleep. I just pulled an all-nighter. But in Wales, Snoop, you often meet people who are very angry and have just come off a night shift. I think you have night shifts in America as well. So they'd be all up in people's grill, like this. Fuggsakemunboys, I just come off night. Keep the noise down below. And what they're essentially saying here, Snoop, is, for fuck's sake, keep the noise down. I just came off a night shift. Fuggsakemunboys, get down your own place and play. And by saying get down your own place and play, what they mean is stop kicking a football outside my house, for example, because I've just come off a night shift. So why don't you go down the field or down your own place and play and kick a ball down there instead? But I think what this angry gentleman seemed to forget was that one of your group did live in this area usually, but then he saw one of you who wasn't from that area and he instantly assumed that none of you were from there. So he'd say, get down your own place and play, boys. I just come off nights. Fuggsakemunboys. Stop kicking that ball, I can't hear myself play, think I'm trying to get some sleep. You'll notice how the Welsh accent, Snoop, can be quite nasal and people can have a lisp. There's a lot of that in Wales. Nasal and lisp combined. Fuggsakemunboys. See how the lips hardly move? Fuggsakemunboys. I just come off nights. Keep it playing right now, will. I'll tell your father if I know him. And if you keep it up, I'll give you a thick ear. In those days, Snoop, you could give kids a thick ear. And people often did chase us. That only made us more committed, however, so we'd knock on that person's door to try and get a chase. These days in Wales it's illegal to hit children, rightly so less kids seek a chase, as we did when we were kids. So just to summarise, Snoop, if you do hear somebody saying, fuck's sake, Snoop, keep it playing noise down, let's come off nice, you know what they mean now. They mean you should stop kicking a football with your homeboys, go up the road somewhere, and maybe play on a playing field instead. Or, if you like having a chase, keep playing football there, and this gentleman will come out in his dressing gown, and he'll give you a good chase. But he might tell your father. Fuck's sake, well, boys, I call fucking nice, keep it playing nice down below. It's like your OK Corral out, yeah? Fuck's sake, man, boys, I just come off nights. It's like a bloody OK Corral out there, keep it playing nice down below. Have a good day, Snoop, and follow for more.